What's up, guys? So today is a huge day. We are finally painting the Audi. It will finally be one solid color and things are going to be great. Now, we went ahead and wiped it down with some pre-dip spray from Plasti dip because we're actually dipping the car today, as you can see from today's title. But we did pre-dip, and then we also grabbed some denatured alcohol. So, or denatured, I pronounce it weird, but this, so that way it gets all of the grease, oils, and garbage off of that. So yeah, it's all pretty and shiny, and it's gonna be painted finally. So we've wiped it down, and John is much better at this than me, so he's already started masking stuff off, which is great. But there's a lot of vents and stuff with this car, so that's a pain. But it's gonna be good. So we're gonna finish masking it off, and then we're gonna start painting.
I'm back, boys. About to make this Audi look.
Your vibrator.
Alright guys, so we got the whole car masked off finally. So there's a lot of tape here, a lot of things. And John hates using trash bags, so we have Walmart bags. We got several gallons over here. So what we're gonna do first is put a base coat of black, and then we'll do 2 different types of gray. And yeah, it's gonna come out cool. I'm really excited for the end result and to finally be one color. So we're gonna start spraying now. Okay guys, so we've got 2 coats done of the base coat. So yes, the base coat is black currently, so it's coming together. It's really cool to finally see this car be one solid color. Now there are a few blemishes here and there, but overall the car is really starting to come together. It's pretty cool. There are some issues back here, as you can see, but we'll get those covered up, no worries there. So now what we're gonna do is we're just letting this dry here for a little bit, and then we're gonna put the gray on, and then yeah, we'll put a couple coats of that and we should be good to go. And I am actually going to try my hand at this, which I've never used a spray gun before. I've used rattle cans like most people, so this is gonna be interesting. I'm really excited. Really hope I don't screw this up, but it's gonna be cool. So we'll wait for that to dry and we'll get back to it. So we had an incident with the dip. These 2 fought.
With the dip shit, maybe. Get it?
That was funny.
So this is the actual color that we're doing. Wait, is this the right one?
No, that's black.
Disregard that one. This.
The actual color is on the fucking floor.
This is the one we're doing. This is anthracite gray.
It'll look about like this.
Yeah, it'll look similar to that. It's gonna be really cool. Really excited. You guys have anything the car's doing so far?
Hey guys,
Hi, 3 followers.
my name's Jeffy, and I like to eat apples.
You probably won't see this part because you fast forward to the end like I always do, but
What do you guys think so far about the car?
It actually looks way better.
Okay, so this is just the first coat of everything, of the anthracite gray. This is unreal. This is so cool. So this is gonna make everything pop a lot. I'm super excited for this. Woo! Let's go!
So we already started masking some of it off already, so I figured we'd get the last bit of it. My bad, we got too excited.
2,000 years later.
Okay, and you guys by now have seen the color reveal, but I just cannot get over how nice this turned out. This color is great. So it's really nice. I'm digging it a lot. So by the time you guys will see the color reveal, this was done last night in my time, but you'll see this video probably much later.